Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can delete all the viruses from your Windows 11 operating system. So for cleaning your PC, for protecting your data and keep your device clean, so you have to delete all the viruses from your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So first of all, press Windows and R button, press run, then write clean mgr. So which will disk your clean? Basically in C drive. So select your C drive, where C drive is basically for Windows, so we are gonna clean the C drive. So click on OK. So now as you can see there is some data. So first download program files, then temporary internet files, Windows error reports, directory, everything has to be removed. So I have selected everything. So now I'm gonna delete everything. Click on OK, then delete files. So as you can see, the disk cleanup is started, the cleaning the C drive, the unnecessary files from the C drive. So as you can see, it is taking some times. So the C drive is now clean. So the second step is again press Windows and R, then right here is temp, which will open the temporary files from your device. So these are the temporary files from my device. So I'm gonna select all by hitting Ctrl+A. Now I'm gonna delete. So the temporary file has been deleted. So the third step is again press Windows R. Now the temporary file you have to percentage temporary, then percentage temp percentage, and hit enter. There will be some temporary files as well. So now select Ctrl+A, select all, then delete. So the temporary file has been, as you can see, there are some files won't be removed, so you have to skip that files. That will be no problem. So the temporary file has been removing. As you can see, there has been so much temporary files in my device, so I'm gonna remove this all. So all the temporary files has been removed, so you have to skip the file. Okay, some temporary files won't be removed from your device, so it is completely fine, then no need to be worried about it. 6063 items recycled. As you can see, there has been so much temporary files in my device, so I am removing the all temporary files. So as you can see, it is taking some times to removing. Okay, so all the temporary files has been removed. So now the fourth stage is again here press Windows R. Now right here MRT. Now hit enter. So this will basically scan your whole devices. As you can see, do you want to allow this? I'm gonna yes. Malware scanning. Don't worry, it will take some time. It is depends on your device. So as you can see, welcome to Microsoft Windows malware software removal tool. So click on next, click on next. So the quick scanning has been started. So it will scan the whole device of your Windows operating system, Windows 11 operating system. So as you can see, the scanning has been started. It will take some time, so I'm get back to you when it's done. So as you can see, no malicious software was detected. So it took almost 7 minutes to scan all files from my device. So I'm gonna finish this. So now all you need to do is to restart your computer, and now the all virus will be removed from your computer of Windows 11 operating system. So as you think that this is still not working, that your PC is still slow, so you can do now, you can use a software called malware bytes. Malwarebytes. So this is the website of malwarebytes.com. So download this software and use this to scan your devices every day. So this is very good, 96% of success ratio. So I hope this video will help you a lot. So that's it for today. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.